Good morning, good morning. It's Monday. We are starting off with a little, oh yeah, definitely need this. People have been asking for this in the gym. And then what else we got? Oh! I got him right in the right testicle. Whoa, this one's heavy. This is heavy duty, my friend. Oh, look at this easy bar. Why is this thing kicking my ass? It's an easy bar. They come in like this. Hey, how's it going? We're the opposite of Planet Fitness. Hey, welcome to Fitness Culture. Hey, Prime. Power Systems Prime. I don't know what company this is. Next time, could you leave off the lube? Like, just don't lube it that much. Like, I feel really uncomfortable now. All greasy and oily. Seriously, all the lube's making it slip through my hands. We got some special guests that hopefully, I mean, all this stuff came in just in time for some of our NFL friends to stop by. Oh, every good gym needs one of these bad boys. I'm gonna get a quick pump before the NFL guys get here. I wasn't joking about that. We really got some NFL players coming in. I want them to walk in and be like, oh, Steve, you're bigger in person. Oh, get that a lot. We got I think a defensive end and a linebacker. One place for the Raiders, the other one place for the Colts coming in today. We're gonna hit an awesome workout for you guys. I'm gonna go get caffeinated right now. How are you doing?
Hi.
What's your name?
Yes.
And what was yours?
Max.
Matt? Good to meet you guys.
We already met a few years ago.
We got a good tan, man.
Santa Monica 2 weeks.
That'll do it in California.
That'll do it. There we go.
From FIBO?
Yeah.
I went to FIBO 1 year only too. That's crazy.
Because you uploaded one picture.
Ah, nice. And you put on some size.
Yeah. And tan.
And tan. Yeah.
And I'm older now.
It's hard to get a tan in Cologne in the wintertime.
Yeah, but I'm
Where are you guys from in Germany?
Munich.
Munich. Oh, nice. I've never been to
Never
Munich.
been to Munich.
I'd like to go. Welcome to the gym, by the way.
Everybody says I want to go to Munich and nobody does.
You guys gotta sign the wall here. All the way from Germany, you gotta say where at in Germany.
Markers are right here.
And yeah, you can pick any color, and then we could bust out a ladder if you guys want a ladder. So. Yo, it's not every day you're in fitness culture and you get to work out with a couple of NFL guys. So we got James Cowser in the house. Dean, outside backer maybe next year if you keep dropping LBs. And then Terrell Adams for the Colts. Used to be with the Raiders.
Yep.
You excited to be in Indianapolis?
Love it, man. Colts, go Colts, man.
Hey, it's so great to have these two in here today. We're gonna be following one of our programs, be putting them through little Jacob Hutton programming. So Jake knows James from SUU, where you still lead the FCS in sacks, like all time, right?
I lost it.
Oh no!
I lost it. We drafted that kid too.
Really?
I lost it. I used to lead.
How many sacks was it in a season?
42 and a half.
Career. For the career.
Used to be a career all-time leader.
That's pretty impressive. You get your hands on the quarterback that many times, you're doing something right. So definitely has a motor. Gonna be really cool. So we're gonna get it in
One
today.
of those dudes, it's like, definitely doesn't look impressive when you look at it. Well, then I'll just do a 360 dunk on your ass.
Yeah, hey, big, long, athletic. Both these guys said something I thought was really cool. Linebackers, there's no more big linebackers. Gone are the days of like super bulky. Like when I played linebacker, I was 240 and I was like this. I couldn't move. I was just like run, smash my head. No, you gotta be long, gotta be athletic. Obviously these two guys embody that perfectly. So we're gonna get after it. Train like an athlete, looking good, feeling good. Let's do the damn thing.
We're just gonna do accelerations. So we're gonna be about 15-yard acceleration with band tension. We're gonna put the band on like a backpack. The goal here though, isn't just to pull your guy back as hard as you can. We're gonna actually try to basically be able to accelerate with perfect sprint mechanics and just add a little bit of tension to it. So that's what we're doing with the band right now. And then we're gonna compete and I'm gonna burn Cowser's ass.
There's something about coming to a gym where there's some elite athletes training that just elevates your game. You step in, you're like, oh, if I don't strap it up today, I'm gonna get my ass handed to me. So this is a fun drill right here we do. Go! Hey, that's Georgia versus Idaho there. Go! There you go. Go! Out there! As I slung it out, I was running like this. Go!
Alright. Go! I'm out the gate!
I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I'm not working hard because maybe it's just this Gymshark shirt. Doesn't like Jake's went through his.
Here you go.
Just went through theirs.
You guys don't know your maxes?
Like 350. Maybe 360.
Must be the Gymshark.
300, 315.
Yo, we got Germany in the house today. Tell the people a little bit about you.
My name is Max.
Max?
Max. I'm from Munich, Germany.
Munich.
26 years old.
What we're gonna do right now, play a little game. He says to me, Steve, you can ask me 3 questions, and if I get them all right, you gotta follow me back on Instagram. So this is something we'll do with people from now on who stop into fitness culture. We'll ask 3 questions.
So it's my game.
Yeah, so it's your game.
Okay.
This is Max's game, we'll call it from now on. First question, what state am I from?
State, Idaho.
State. Ah, bingo, got it. Number 2, what college did I go to?
Dixie State.
Ah, he's 2 for 2. All right, so each question in my mind gets a little bit harder, a little bit harder. Last question. What place did I get at the second Olympia I competed at?
Fourth. Or third.
Close enough, I got 5th, I think. Actually,
No.
I don't know what I got. 4th?
No,
4th.
I think fourth.
We'll have to go back.
Jeremy, Sadiq,
Yeah,
Jason,
yeah.
and then you. So fourth. I think so.
I think you're right. Or was Matt Acton? Oh, we're gonna have to check. I think was Matt Acton in there?
I don't know.
To be honest, I don't know either, so we're gonna give it to him. I'm gonna give him a follow. My man,
Thanks.
you know a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I'm a fanboy.
Thank you so
From
much,
Munich.
man. Tell them your Instagram if they want to give you a follow.
It's MAXITISCHLER_23.
So how do you say that?
Maxi Tischler.
Maxa Tushla.
Tischler.
Wo estás Fitness Studio? That's good?
Yeah, sehr gut.
Where is the gym pretty much? We started at 2, it's now 4. That's a day in the books there. Athlete program with TA and James Cowser here. Good work today, fellas.
Work.
It's a humbling experience when all of a sudden you realize dude's bigger, faster. That was always my thing. Like growing up, it's like, oh,
We ain't stronger.
If I'm gonna be bigger than this dude, or I can only be bigger if I'm fat or if he's faster. Like I can't be both. But here, today they're both bigger and faster. So we got to work on that shit. We'll be here all week doing this athlete program. Tomorrow we're gonna get some conditioning in.
I'm sorry, bro, but it's too late to work on it. We're already too old.
I know.
Sorry, man.
Don't remind me of that.
It's been worked on. It's over.
TA, how old are you?
26.
Woo!
Old man. Old man.
27?
Yeah.
Going on 28 though, make sure that be known.
It's like my
Hey, come get this. He's got some gray in his head. Look at that.
That's waves.
Those are waves.
That's the ocean
That's just
spinning.
gray. It's the ocean
That's
foam.
the ocean spinning.
That's what I love though. Come in, you work hard,
You're gonna see people from Germany up in the house. We got mixing with the NFL guys, so just fitness culture. This is what we built this for. This is amazing. The atmosphere in here is awesome. So I'm gonna go get some protein, get some water in me because it's about 84 degrees in here, and then I'm gonna grub up. I'm out.